My finances, I haven't been doing well with my finances, but watch this. God, I need you to help me trust you with my finances, and you know you haven't been giving tithe. I need you to trust me. I need you to help me trust you. If you want God to bless you in something, you have to trust him with that something. You have to trust him. God, I want you to bless my family. You got to bring your family to church. God, I want you to bless my husband. You got to call him out in prayer. I want you to bless my wife and get her saved. You got to call her out in prayer. What you are going through, let your heart speak for you in prayer. Then he'll give you the desires of your